Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have my little sister here. Do you want to tell them who you are and why you're here?
I am Callie and I'm here to get my hair done.
Yes, today we're going to be showing you how to do a headband braid. This is perfect for your little girls and you want to keep their hair out of your face, and it always looks super cute. So let's get into it. So Callie has beautiful long blonde hair, but it is fine. So the first thing I'm going to do is part it off, and I'm going to have her tilt her head over. Then take it right in front of her ear, and then just do a straight line all the way across. And then I'm just going to put this in a little ponytail to keep it out of my way. So now that I've parted her hair off, she has it in a little ponytail so this doesn't get in my way, and I'm going to start the braid over on this side. So I'm going to have her tilt her head. I'm going to pull it all towards myself, and then I'm going to take a small section right at the start and split it into 3 pieces. They're going to be kind of skinny, so the first part is the hardest part by far. And then I'm just going to start creating a Dutch braid, but I'm only pulling from her hairline. So when you take from the left side, I'm not going to be pulling from it, just the right. So as you can see, that first part is definitely the hardest to get through. But once you get past it, it becomes really simple and easy. Try to keep it as close to their head as you can because it helps it stay so much better throughout the day. And then when I get to her ear where there's no more hair, I'm just going to braid it all the way down. And then I'm just going to secure the end with a small clear band, and then move back to the top and pancake it a little bit. Pancaking a braid helps it look so much fuller and thicker, especially for this style when it's spread across the top of your head. It'll just help it appear a lot fuller. A huge tip for little girls' hair is, as you can see, it creates a lot of flyaways, and the best way to do it is just have them close their eyes. And I'm going to have you cover your face with both hands. And then I'm just going to spray over the braid and smooth down any flyaways with some hairspray. And I'm just going to do that by spraying, running my hand over it. It'll also help that braid stay in really well. I'm going to remove the ponytail. This is the finished braid. This is such a great look for any age, honestly. I do it on myself sometimes. It looks great with a hat. It's always so cute, but it's also a great one for your kids as well. So if you try it, be sure to let us know. We would love to see it on you.